These niggas hating on me. Why these niggas that's a fag? This chopper on me. I'ma pull it, then I blast. I'ma leave him in the past. My niggas, ayy. My niggas icking for the fucking blood. Your niggas was fiending for some love. My niggas pull up, leaving all the slugs. I said, fuck a hoe. They was never shit. I done had too many hoes to come and ride all on my dick. Now that one hoe came into my heart and then she fucking broke it. But I really wasn't tripping, cause I put my dick, she choke it up. She set me up, feeling me, yeah, baby, I'm a bust. Just chopper on me, if he feeling tough, then run up. I'ma just squeeze, shoot the nigga, and then he fall on his knees. He licking blood, tell the baby, told her that's all your love. I told them big ass slugs, I'ma up and then I blow it, and I put you in the mud. Now your baby wanna hug, and I really wanna fuck, so I'ma go and do it, y'all.